you ready?
Ready whenever you are, sir.
Are you recording already?
Yes.
Awesome. Cat is annoying.
Fact.
All right, so here we go. Hi, I'm Robert from Prohibition Distillery. Starting our cocktail series with a riff on the original Poinsettia cocktail. So we're going to use a combination of Prohibition Distillery's Bootlegger 21 vodka, a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice, some dry curacao, and a little bit of homemade grenadine. So first off, we're going to take 2 ounces of Bootlegger 21, half an ounce of dry curacao, half ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And before we do the shaking, got some fresh pomegranates here. We're just going to pop out some of the seeds that we can use for garnish. If you can buy these in the store already seeded, it will save the stain on your fingers, I promise you. So, take our cocktail, top it with ice, a little shake. And since Kat forgot my strainer, here we go.
Your straighter's at the end of the bar.
Too late.
I'm the worst.
So that homemade grenadine that we made before is cool. Just going to put it into a squeeze bottle so it's a little bit easier to work with.
That thickened up a lot.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of those pomegranate seeds, just drop those in, a little garnish. Pomegranate seed, sink.
Bloop.
Bloop. Last one. Now we're going to take a 1/4 ounce of that homemade grenadine. Just going to pour it down the side of the glass. Sinks right to the bottom. There you have it.
How's it taste?
I don't know yet. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Tastes dangerous.
Ooh.